What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Nene Bossellini, back with another video. And today,
I know they lying. China ain't gonna drag me. And I ain't gonna drag me.
we got
That's why
some Cajun catfish
you
nuggets,
can't push my buttons.
some lemon
I'm
pepper
table
whole
ready, bitch. This
wings,
antenna only. You can't
and
put
some
no
French
cables in
fries.
past
And
me.
we about to get
I don't
into
need
it because
no
I'm
jump,
hungry.
nigga. I came in this bitch already ready.
With some ruby red squirt.
Jumping a 25-year-old. Who jumping me? This pastor, Dolo as fuck. I would never jump him. And ain't no smoke. I wish I would threaten a nigga like him. I wish I would. Oh God, I beat Charlie up with no hands. I ain't threatening him or nothing. I slam Charlie out the fight. Are you jealous of Brandon? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'm mad that y'all be all in my business and not in his. I ain't start shit. That nigga wants some smoke with me. He always cry first. The nigga cry, I'm only 25, I'm 25. That sounds like a cop-out. That sounds like a whole cop-out. Y'all always do it, I'm 25 and I'm organic and I'm doing this and why you do it, He came for himself. He in here throwing subliminals, acting like he tough as fuck.
Oh, I got coleslaw too, y'all.
Award said Charlie came in and dropped a big gift. I don't know what it was. Then he dropped another gift. And the war was like, I don't care what nobody say about Charlie. You take care of his peoples. I don't know why everybody hating on Charlie and la la. So I flew a kite. It said, Charlie beefing with everybody. That's why people... So Award like, come explain it. So I went up there. I said, well, Charlie beef with everybody. So everybody go be coming for Charlie. He beefing with everybody. I ain't say Charlie started no beef with nobody. I said he's in beef with everybody. I said, so everybody go come at him. I said, if I do something wrong and you go live about me, people gonna start beefing with you only because it's me. Like, my following ain't going against me. If I'm wrong, then they gonna say I was wrong, but you won't get to drag me about it. So Charlie beefing with everybody. That's why everybody coming for him. But I said the difference is Charlie coming for people that ain't on the app and people that don't roast. China not a roaster, 504. Well, you came for Josh. Josh be on the app saying he go do this and he go do that. I said people only come for Frenchie because Ashley put Frenchie on the app. Like, I'm going to have Frenchie do this, I have Frenchie do that. So people talk about Frenchie, but China don't say I'm going to have my husband fuck you up. So you coming for a hug, you coming for people that don't even be mentioned. Or you do it too and la 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 sneak this. You be doing this and that's the kettle. You trying to get over on me right now. So let me tell you this, don't nobody want smoke with me. Don't nobody want smoke with me, bro. That's all I'm saying. Nobody don't want smoke with me. All you do is yell louder than everybody that think you won. You repeat the same motherfucking bars. You was yelling so motherfucking loud, bitch, you was louder than your motherfucking armpits at the meet and greet. It was 7 people there and 5 of them said you stink.
Not louder than
I ain't smell you, nigga, because I wasn't getting that close to you. 5 out of 7 people said you stink. That's 60-something% said you stink. A total audience and 1 didn't smell. So 6 out of 7 people said you stink. Big ass, goddamn salt-infested ass boots you be wearing. Them ain't even Uggs. Them big fake ass, ghetto ass, motherfucking my baby mama don't fuck with me no more ass boots you had on. Like you came out the pussy with a whole helmet on. You bubblehead motherfucker. Head big as fuck. Always want to get in the camera and look sad. I don't know why they coming for me. I don't know why they be coming. I'm 25 years. Shut the fuck up. We know how old you is, nigga. I'm 25 years old. They want to come for me because I'm the youngest and you ain't eating shit. Kyra, your #1 contributor, and on her foo-foo. And she don't even be in there watching your funky ass. Bitch, your receipts be coming across my desk, goddamn it, left and right. I push them bitches to the side. You ain't eating a motherfucking thing but a dick, you faggot. And you don't want no smoke. Bitch, you did all that goddamn ha-ha and he-hen. Nigga, Ashley sat right here and Charlie sat where y'all at. This how close we was. Me to my phone, and y'all was damn near eating off each other's plates, sharing hookahs and all type of shit. As soon as your funky ass got home, you went live. And they're looking for content. You was the quietest motherfucker in the room. On God, you ain't had nothing to say to nobody at the meet and greet. These are facts. You ain't bring no beef. You was a vegetarian at that motherfucking meet and greet, nigga. They mad because I'm in Hawaii. Bitch, we didn't even know you was in Hawaii. We don't give a fuck about you being in Hawaii and you can't spend no money or have no fun. What did you do in Hawaii besides sit on the fucking balcony of a $30 to $50 ass Airbnb and make us look at the rocks while you goddamn look at the camera and sing lullabies? Go live without that big dumbass stupid ass TV behind you. We was with you when that apartment was empty with no food in the refrigerator, bitch. At the airport, boo-hooing the real tears about the plane you couldn't get back on. Shut your stupid ass up. Them tears did not get you back on the plane. You went the real first 48 with no bath. You slept at the airport before. Shut your funky ass up.
Who said you slept at the airport? Pastor P be going in, y'all. Y'all gotta follow me on BIGO.
All that hollering, all that yelling, all that
So I catch y'all up on what's going on.
She got to turn around. She got to turn. Excuse me, sir. We're gonna need you to exit the flight. What I do? Like for real? What I do? Like I didn't do nothing. I didn't hit her with my book to get your stupid ass off the flight. You first class back to the motherfucking airport lobby. First class. Sit your stupid ass on your book bag. You ain't never had no undercarry. Came in your city and you was dirty. Shut up. We had to buy a ticket to get there and clothes. You and that bitch dirty as fuck. If I get banned again, we going to YouTube on the G's. Let the motherfuckers talk, Journey. Take the day off. I won't smoke with everybody.
Cajun catfish nugget.
He always need content. He don't got none. I swear to God. I let him live because that's what he do. But if you tell him he can't turn on YouTube, his stupid ass wouldn't know what to do. Stupid ass TV behind him the whole time. Look at them right there. Look at that. Look at that. Let me find something wrong with China Red. Let me find something wrong with the motherfucking J's for the... Well, you ain't even got no more shoes.
Ooh.
I don't get paid on shit. How he get paid on here and he trade?
Ooh, somebody.
He ain't
Spicy.
trading everything, but he'll trade. He ain't hitting that $2
Spicy
million
seasoning.
That nigga trade. His biggest gifters don't watch him. That mean they trading. Your biggest gifter supposed to be a motherfucker that's always in your life.
Okay. Yeah. New wave chicken and fish, girl. In Detroit, y'all.
211. Can't even wear regular t-shirts. You need somebody to stretch it out like your mama just got her hair done. You big head motherfucker. You need somebody to pull the collar to get your head in that motherfucking shirt. You invested, beloved. You level 1 bitch.
Oh. VIP. I don't drink this on me. Real recognize real niggas don't speak.
That lottery fucked me up right there.
Dose it on and tell them what I'm holding.
I'm just making sure ain't no niggas really that pressed for beans. That's what. The fuck? Yeah. Question mark. Level 16. You done changed your...
Oh, say no, that wasn't a burp. I ain't got a burp with that one.
The boy came over there with 0.6 grams of weed for a house full of motherfuckers. Where you from? You supposed to come in there with a bag, tell everybody to roll something up. You came with 0.6 worth of weed. When it was time to pay the tab, you asked Red to take care of you and you would get it back. Red sent me a cash app for you and her food. You ain't had no cash on you at home. If Charlie eating the app up, how the fuck is he always this close to an eviction? $16,000 a month. What is he doing with his money? What he doing? Because he ain't spending on no motherfucking clothes. He ain't gonna give us a walk through that weak ass apartment he living in. I bet you he don't take us for a walk through that motherfucking 375 square feet ass apartment he living in, thinking he eating it because he ain't never had shit.
Oh.
I'm 25, and bitch, your mama was fucking early enough for you to be 40. You probably would be 40 if your motherfucking head would have came out and none. Bitch, you came out feet first. They had to pull you out. Your head was too big.
Damn.
Ain't no way you could have came out head first. Your shit too big. Your mama would have been hemorrhaging. Should have bled to death. Your bubble head ass. How your head this big and your body like this? You motherfucking hangman built that. You built like hangman. Big ass head and nothing but goddamn skeleton bones at the bottom. You built like a whole bunch of wrong letters, bitch. Fuck is this boy talking about? I said, that boy, I'll drag you. Thump you and break something. I'll thump you and you will need an x-ray. You skinny ass bitch. Can't even fit men's clothing. You skinny ass. You probably suffering from something and you don't know about it because you ain't getting checked up. Get your little 1-2 wearing ass. Boy, you wear a 1-2. Slim. So women shut your ass up out of here. You the reason these hoes can't get their clothes in their size. Route 21 dressing ass nigga, shut your bitch ass up. Head big than a motherfucker. Bitch, your head look just like Micah's.
Micah's. Not Micah head.
He kept on saying little slick shit like, oh, you must be mad. You and your feelings and you this, and he just yell. All he do is yell. That's all he do is yell. Get his bubblehead ass right in front of that motherfucking cheap ass, I swear to God. Go right now to Walmart.com TVs. I bet you a TCL, the cheapest TV you could get. He think he eating it. That bitch only got a 3-month warranty on it. That bitch come with a 90-day warranty for $7.25. She did send me $1.25 yesterday. $1.50. Or the day before. It was a couple days ago. That stupid ass TV. You had to get a Fire Stick for Netflix in there. Get your dumb ass out of here. That's the only TV. When you go to bed, you go to bed. Ain't no TV in your bedroom, nigga.
Y'all, I'm getting full.
Oh, my bedroom bigger than your whole motherfucking apartment, man. Shut your little house living ass. You got the same house they told 21 she had got from goddamn Amazon. You got a little house. Care. You can talk about me. I don't give a fuck. Red 39, did you get your money back from paying for that food at the goddamn chicken spot?
Y'all.
Now listen to the news, you up there twerking harder than goddamn China and them. It was her birthday, you was twerking harder than her. Animated built that. You built like a whole goddamn animation. You built like a picture from Cedar Point that they drew. You drew like a cartoon picture.
Y'all,
World built ass,
I'm about to enjoy my night.
Motherfucking body, big ass head and big ass feet. You built just like Bobby off Bobby's World. Bobo, get your stupid ass in here.
I'm about to enjoy my night, my weekend.
DEF
Y'all do the
section.
same.
Ain't no C-section for that head. She had to get a DEF section. C just wasn't go do it.
Y'all
Boy, your mama had a
same.
death section to get your stupid ass up out her stomach.
Fix my wig.
They think that bitch done had a whole goddamn tummy tuck how long the scar is from her C-section.
Period. I'll catch y'all next time. I'm full. I'm about to enjoy my night. Smoke me some blunt.
Your x-rays was all head, boy. They thought they were going to come out like the head detective.
And download BIGO.
Every x-ray wasn't nothing but your face. They
Make sure y'all download BIGO so y'all can follow me. I go live on BIGO every day. So download BIGO. And if you downloaded BIGO, let me know and I'll tell you how to find me on there so you can follow me. And you watch me on BIGO. So that's my good homeboy, Pastor P. And he gets it in over there on BIGO, so y'all follow us. All right, y'all.